Hi there, I'll keep this quick. I just want to show those of you who are new to Flex scheduling what it is all about. First of all, you want to go to bit.ly/flex, DSISD Flex 2020. Don't type it into the Google search, type it into the actual address bar up here, and it'll take you to a super duper spreadsheet. I'm going to show you 3 parts of this spreadsheet right now. The first thing that you want to know is how to show your homeroom students their flex schedule. You can stress to them that this schedule will be changing over the next couple weeks depending on what they want and what they need. But the most important thing is right here, because today is Tuesday and they're going to be going to this classroom. This is organized by homeroom, and make sure that they know that they should be going to the Meets link for the first name if there are 2 names. So Life Hacks will be going to Bishop, even though Bishop and Edwards are doing this together. We will later on use this tab over here for scheduling, and we'll talk a little bit more about that later. We're not sure exactly whether this is going to be happening in homeroom or advisory or both, but the basic idea is down the road you can click on this and choose from whatever options are available for that day. If a student is absent in a room that you are supervising, you just want to mark them red. So depending on the day, we will organize by that day. And so this entire group will be together. And then, oopsie, if Noah Jimerson is absent, then we just turn this cell red, and Monty knows to count him absent. So this first tab you shouldn't have to worry at all about. This is just providing the options that make the drop-down menu on the other slide. But this should give you an idea about how big the sections are. Notice some of the sections are rather large, so I want to figure out whether that's actually working, and if it's not working, we will change it. Last thing I want to call your attention to is this tab over here, which is just my way of keeping track of things that I don't know the answer to yet. Notice there are a lot of questions here, and I would love any feedback that you can give me on these questions as we discuss them. The best way that I would suggest to keep track of these is to use comments. So if you select a cell, which sections are too big, which sections need active recruiting, for example, you can go to Insert Comment, and then we can say, we need more skateboarders. And then someone else can come along and respond to that, and this can be a little conversation. So if you just have a reaction to any of these things, if you have an idea of how it should be done, or you want to ask another question, go ahead and put it as a comment on the question itself, and we'll revisit it as we go. Thanks everybody for working with this. We used this same type of structure last year, and it was actually pretty smooth. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions, and have a good day.